future, code.
A collection of things. Lists and tuples.
Hi, kids! Today I brought a super fun backpack. Want to see what's inside?
Yes. What did you put in it?
Pencil, eraser, books, snacks, all kinds of stuff. Now imagine this backpack is like a variable in Python that holds all these things together.
Wait. All of them together? But I thought a variable only holds one thing, like name equals pencil.
That's true. But when we want to store lots of things, we use something called a list. A list can keep many things inside it, just like a bag. Here, we created a variable called backpack. But this isn't just a normal variable. It's a special kind of variable called a list. A list is like a magical container that can hold many items at once, not just one. And we always write those items inside square brackets like this.
Got it now. But wait, what if I only want to see my snack?
You little snack monster. Okay, here you go. Print backpack 3.
Why number 3? Isn't snack the fourth item?
Yes, but remember, as we said before, computers start counting from 0. So 0 is for pencil, 1 for eraser, 2 for book, and 3 for snack. One cool thing about lists is that you can change what's inside, like this. We just changed pencil to colored pencil. Let's say you found a super cool sticker and want to add it to your backpack. Just drop it in like this. Backpack.append sticker.
So append means put it at the end?
Exactly. Append always adds the new item to the end of the list. Now, let's say you want to take out the eraser to give it to your friend.
So I just write the name of the item I want to remove?
Exactly right.
But what if I want my backpack to have a lock so nothing inside can be changed?
Great thinking. That's when we use tuple instead of a list. A tuple is locked. You can't change anything in it after you make it. Fruits equals open parenthesis, apple and banana and cherry, close parenthesis. See, we use parentheses instead of square brackets.
So, I can't change banana to orange, huh?
No. Tuples are for things that don't change, like your birthday.
So I have to choose carefully. List if I want to change things, tuple if I don't.
Exactly right. A tuple is like a locked bag. Today, you learned how to keep a group of things together using lists and tuples. With lists, you can add, remove, and change things. With tuples, you can keep important things safe and unchanged. Next time, we'll learn something even more fun. A new thing called a dictionary.